You have reached Top It Off with Miss R, and I'm Miss R, and today I will be showing you how I'm going to attempt to clean my area rug. This rug is too big to throw in the washing machine, and I don't want to call professional cleaners out because I like to clean my things on a regular basis, so I need to find a way that's going to keep my rug clean. My puppy here, he loves sitting on the rug, and I don't want my rug smelling like a pet. So I need to find a way to clean it. So if you want to stay tuned and see how I clean my rug, then just stay tuned. Alright guys, disclaimer. I am trying this on my own. So if I mess up my rug, it's on me. So if you decide to try this, you mess up your rug, it's on you. I paid for this product with my own money, and let's get to it. Alright guys, here's my rug, and the first thing I'm gonna do is vacuum it. I'm gonna vacuum it real good. Alright guys, well my rug is vacuumed, so the next thing that I'm going to do is read the directions on the can, but I'm just going to spray it all over the rug. I'm going to make sure that my mop is rinsed out real good and it's a little damp, not wet. Then I am going to vacuum this rug really good on a low level. Because I see the dirt on top of the phone. Okay guys, it's been 3 minutes. So what I am about to do is mop. I'm gonna get this spot over here that really was dark. Alright guys, well I sprayed the carpet and it's a little, wet of course because I sprayed it. So what I'm going to do is let it air out and dry, and then I will be back probably tomorrow. This is the next morning for me cleaning my carpet. I use 409 spot cleaner, and I tried to leave the window open overnight, but it got a little chilly, so I closed it. But this morning when I got up, I opened it, cracked it a little bit. The rug is dry, the rug is clean, but it had a smell on it. Now, not a bad smell, it's like a wet smell. I don't know if it was because of me mopping with the same mop that I use around the house, but I always wash my mop head out. So if you're going to use the mop over your rug, get a separate mop. Other than that, guys, because it had a wet smell on it and I touched it and it was dry, I went on and put Love My Carpet all over it. So the whole thing, you know, is gone. I have some running around to do, some errands to do, so in maybe 2 to 3 hours I'll be back. I'm gonna vacuum the whole rug up, and then I'll give you my final opinion on if this is a good technique to use or not. Alright guys, I am back from making my run, so now I am about to vacuum the rug. When I came back, the first initial smell had subsided. I guess the Love My Carpet took over. So now what I'm going to do is just vacuum the room. This is the result of my rug. It is clean. This rug is clean. I vacuumed it and got all the Love My Carpet out of the rug. And as you see, guys, this rug is clean. So guys, this is Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell down below so you'll know when the next video is coming out. Guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later.